run for the Walton County Children's Advocacy Center right here.
Oh, hell.
Flying Wheels.
What are you doing?
Where we at? Hideout! So what is your name?
Alex. Amanda.
Hey, on my new bike, let's roll.
Nice little ride back.
Under the Milky Way tonight. Roll the curtain down. Roll the curtain down, alright. I've got no time for private consolation. Under the Milky Way tonight. Wish I knew what you were looking for. Then I might know what you'll find.
Toy drive going on. Bring a toy, get a free beer.
So we got a live band all the time, man. And the best food in the whole damn Panhandle. Come on down, baby.
Like, share, and subscribe. We're at the